Hello, we're going to mix a peach colour. If you buy a paint, you probably just want to use the flip top cap like that. Okay, so we're making peach as we normally do. We're going to start with using the 3 primaries. I'm not actually even going to put the blue out because we don't really need that. Oh, I might, because what we might do is do a bit of shadow. So, a peach colour. We've got it here. It's a kind of yellowy peach colour. Fair enough. Be careful not to end up putting too much red in. I keep picking the red up. The red's quite intense. Now, I'm not really worrying about the blue at all, but if we were sort of doing a peach shape, we might want just a hair of blue, like just the tiniest bit of blue to give us that's probably too much blue, just to give us a shadow around the bottom of our peach, just to give it some depth. And then a bit more white at the top, or in fact maybe even a little bit more yellow, give a highlight of yellow at the top. But it's really that simple. So using predominantly yellow, moved across with some red and some white just to lighten it a bit. You'll see here we've tried using different reds, quinacridone red, naphtha crimson, which is quite a blue red, gives you this deeper tone. Naphtha scarlet, which is quite a yellow red, will give you these lighter tones. And then mixing with 3 different types of yellow. And the naphtha yellow light is a really light yellow. So you see that the red is really dominating here, and we're getting that quite light pink. I'm not quite sure we'd call that peach, maybe a peach in a red light. But the other colours are certainly on their way to being a peach colour. So of course, if we're talking about a white peach, you're going to want more white. If you're talking the inside of the fruit, then it's going to be more yellow, probably more like what we've got here. You've got to have a look at what it is that you're actually trying to describe in your work. But of course, don't just limit yourself to these handful of reds and yellows. We've got a whole heap of different reds and yellows, which will mean you'll get exactly the colour you're after. And if you want to know how to mix any other colours, just ask us in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe.